I wouldn't be here today if the old school didn't pave their way.
Walmart. I got me these cheesy Chester Cheeto paws. Put the paws on you. That's what I'm doing. Got to put these paws on you. Take this bag off. Chester Cheeto. He done put his paws in it. Alright. What? Party back, boy. Definitely can't just eat one. That's lazy, isn't it? No even matter. Yeah. What? I didn't go to Walmart. Get you one of these. And subscribe. So there's gonna be a lot more content coming your way. Right now, I'm headed to Party City to return my Halloween mask. And don't say nothing in the comments, cause I ain't the only one that do it. I wore that Halloween mask one time. Yup, Halloween night. Wiped it down. And I'm about to return it. And that's real. So, got the receipt and the original bag to go with it. Alright, well, I'm gonna bounce. Share this video, subscribe, like. Alright, guys. Peace.
Ain't nothing like the old
What more can I say? I wouldn't be here today if